coming to you with one more of my Prime Day. This looks interesting. It's going to be a little more challenging to get into. Let's see. There's a box. Let's see what the box is. Let's see. That in the trash instead of just on the floor. Let's see. There was a little sticker on it. Where'd it go? It says, oh, 3D printer UV curing lamp. So hopefully this is a little... My daughter does a lot of UV resin. I might try to do some. We'll see. But we needed a replacement. So here we go. Oh yeah, this looks like this is going to be a good one. I will have to let you know exactly how it works. But for now, this is what I got. And let me see. How much was it? To all my orders, let's see. UV. Ah, there it is. Came with other stuff. See, let's go to view order details. So this was $16.99, which is a great price for it. I'm really excited to be able to use it, and my daughter will be glad to replace the one we have. Actually, I had one for gel nails a long time ago that I gave her, and it works really well for her UV, but I think this one might even be better, so we'll have to see. The regular price on it is $22.99, so $16.99, so that was a good deal.